Hello everyone, I'm Deepak. These days, almost everyone maintains Twitter account. If one day I became popular and I got billions of followers, what if I want to show them generosity by following them back? Or if I work for a popular person and he wants me to follow all his followers? At least dream high, man. Yeah. So I made a mini follow back bot. This is Twitter follow back bot. Let me show you how it works. This is the Python code for it. I have already linked my Twitter developer account to normal Twitter account, and this is my Twitter account which may get billions of followers in future. Let's back to present. I have only 9 followers currently. You can see them. I'm not following any of them. Okay. As earlier said, I gave my developer accounts access tokens and API keys to this Python code. Now I'm going to run the program. Here we get the list of followers of me. Okay, let me reload it. Bazinga! I followed everyone back. Thanks for watching. The code for this bot will be on GitHub soon.